Hello everyone, we are at the Vogue Wedding Atelier and we are joined by Sonia K. Mahajan from Darayab label. Hello ma'am, how are you?
I'm good.
Looking lovely.
Yeah, just trying to showcase my own product for once. Yeah.
So ma'am, please tell us about your collection you're showcasing today. Like what's one piece that is most inspiring for you today?
See, all our pieces are inspiring for me because I started the religious series first with the Ram Darbar and all. Yeah, which we are doing limited editions. So we have our add-ons of semi-precious stones on them. They look beautiful. Then we've done a shawl on Guruji, which is my pet project. So I love art. I'm actually trying to just revive the old art from Kashmir and bring it out towards people so that they can see what, the real heritage of India is all about.
Exactly. So if you have to describe Darayab in 5 words, what would that be?
I would say heritage and exquisite art, and yeah, it's glamorous also. We can add glamour to the product by adding a little bit of bling to it. So yes, fashionable for sure. Not at all what the youngsters think that it is old aunties thing, because I mean if you really see, we've added a lot of glam to our embroideries.
Yeah, they love this.
So yes, I want to revive the heritage collection for the youngsters so that, in the coming generations, it doesn't die out.
So if I have to ask you what fashion truly means for you beyond trends and aesthetics.
For me, fashion is all about our cultural heritage and nothing about the modern fashion that exists today. I don't believe in that at all. I feel that if even 5% of the coming generation have a little bit of feeling of what passion we have for the heritage of India and the arts of India, the world would be a better place. Because see, all this is dying out. It's because the coming generation doesn't value it. So we want the coming generation to value art and to keep the revival, because only they can do it, We are people of yesteryears now.
Yeah.
So the generation today has to really keep up the trend.
Right, ma'am. Ma'am, Kashmir holds such a deep, legacy of culture, craft, and textile traditions. And Darayab has inspiration from Kashmir. But what Darayab actually means? What's the meaning behind that?
There is a long story behind it. I started this Darayab when the militancy started in Jammu Kashmir.
Okay.
So that was the time when I really felt that there were war widows, there were people from militancy affected, there were women, there were children. And so many people used to come to me that we don't have money to eat and what do we do? So that was the time the idea came to me that I should employ them and get them to do some, work for us. So that it is basically women empowerment which really got me to it, because I'm a convent educated person. So all these things hold a lot of value for me. So all these ethical values, I prioritize them. So that was the time when I thought, let me do something for the Kashmiri women, for the children, and do something that, kind of empowers them. Yes.
Lovely initiative, ma'am. Thank you. If I have to ask you one advice that you would like to give to young designers.
I would tell them that please don't get affected by the Chinese culture of machine embroidery. Please stick on to a little bit of hand. This is our cultural heritage. We should not let it go, We should keep it in hand. This is what India is all about.
Lovely.
Thank you.
So my last question to you is, what would you suggest from your collection that a bride of 2025 must have in her trousseau?
I feel a heritage sari, a Kashmiri handwork, single thread sari is a must. It's not only a Kashmiri sari, it's any heritage piece from any state, it's a must. If they can even have 11 good pieces of different cultural heritage,
Yeah.
it would be really nice.
11 considered Sanghan.
Like they can have a Kashmiri, they can have a Banarsi, a Bandej, but they should hold on to the traditions. When they are creating their trousseaux, this is what they should really look for, not the modern stuff at all.
Yeah, combine of both of them.
Yes.
Exactly.
Yes.
Thank you so much, Sonia ma'am, for being and sharing your insights with our audience today.
Thank you.
Thank you.